What is going on, everyone? It's Gia here representing JiasWorld, and we're doing a special unboxing for SIAK. Say It Aint Klothing. Clothing with a K. Shout out to Vantrell, Crispy, Irvin. The packaging on this is just simply phenomenal. I did a special order. Your supper everything, right? Vantrell, aka Irvin. Keep working. And shout out to you, the food for thought, for noticing my drip, Crispy. And shout out to him as well, because his entrepreneur spirit is just off the charts. Everything from shoe repair, customized shoes, clothing, photography. His hustle is nonstop. So shout out to him. And the packaging on this, okay, AKS collection. Check it out. Look at the packaging. It's just so professional, so neat, so unique. You know, look. Even got the chopsticks. Ancient Klothing. Look at that. The chopsticks. Right? Bamboo chopsticks. It's freaking awesome. Enjoy, you know what I mean? Let's get in here. Oh snap. Even got the fortune cookie. Oh my gosh, dude, this is so dope. Again, production and packaging and creativity is freaking everything. I admire your hustle and your creativity, your gift. Look inside. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Bam. There we go. SIAK. AKS. Ancient Klothing. If that ain't the freshest, dude, I might wear this tomorrow. Like, I might wear it. Look at that. It's a gray with black sleeves. Look at that. If that ain't the dopest. Shout out to Vantrell. Say It Aint Klothing. Say It Aint Krispy. Shout out to him. You know, my thumbnail again. So yeah, that's my unboxing. If you want to do photography, get your shoes repaired or customized, or if you want some Say It Aint Klothing, I'm gonna leave how you can do all of that in the description box below. Shout out to Vantrell Irvin, aka Say It Aint Krispy, Say It Aint Klothing, Van the Man Photography. Shout out to you, and keep prospering. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, leave comments, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos, and yeah, subscribe.